You ever meet someone who says, "I only sleep 5 hours and feel amazing," while you sleep 8 and still wake up exhausted? That's not genetics. That's not luck. That's your brain telling you something is off. And once you understand this, you'll never look at sleep the same way again. Number 1. It's not about hours, it's about cycles. Your brain doesn't count hours. It tracks sleep cycles. Each cycle lasts about 90 minutes, and inside those cycles are 2 critical stages. Deep sleep, where your body repairs, muscles recover, immune system strengthens. REM sleep, where your brain processes emotions, stores memories, and boosts creativity. If these stages are balanced, you can feel great even on 5 to 6 hours. But if your sleep is constantly interrupted by stress, caffeine, or late-night screens, your brain never fully enters those stages. Psychology calls this fragmented sleep. Your body rests, but your mind never recovers. That's why you wake up tired. Number 2. Your brain runs on a schedule. Your body has an internal clock called your circadian rhythm, and it depends on consistency. If you sleep at random times every night, your brain doesn't know when to release melatonin, the hormone that makes you sleepy. But when you follow a fixed schedule, like sleeping at 11 p.m. and waking at 6 a.m., your brain adapts. It starts preparing for sleep automatically. You fall asleep faster. You wake up clearer. It's like training your brain to trust your routine. Number 3. The 90-minute wake-up rule. Ever wake up feeling heavy, slow, and groggy? That's called sleep inertia. It happens when you wake up in the middle of a sleep cycle. But if you wake up at the end of a cycle, your brain transitions naturally into alertness. So instead of random sleep durations, aim for 4.5 hours, 6 hours, 7.5 hours, multiples of 90 minutes. This is your biology working with you. Number 4. The 3-2-1 power down rule. Your brain needs a signal to shut down. Psychologists call this cognitive offloading, telling your nervous system it's safe to rest. Try this. 3 hours before bed, no heavy meals. 2 hours before bed, stop work and problem solving. 1 hour before bed, no screens. Blue light blocks melatonin and keeps your brain in day mode. Instead, stretch, journal, listen to calm music. You're shifting your brain from beta, active, to alpha, relaxed, the state where sleep begins. Number 5. Morning sunlight is your reset button. The first 10 minutes after you wake up can decide your entire day. Exposure to natural light boosts serotonin, which controls mood, focus, and alertness. Step outside. No phone. Let your brain reset naturally. You'll feel more awake, without caffeine. Number 6. Bonus, movement plus cold water. If you still feel sluggish, move your body, or splash cold water on your face. This activates your nervous system and releases dopamine and norepinephrine, your brain's natural energy chemicals. Within minutes, the fog lifts. Here's the truth. People who treat sleep like a weakness often end up burned out, unfocused, and emotionally unstable. Sleep is not laziness. It's your brain's recovery system. It sharpens your thinking, balances your emotions, improves your decisions. So don't just sleep more. Sleep smarter. Because when your brain is fully rested, your mind becomes unstoppable. If you learn something new, subscribe to Why We Do It for more psychology explained simply. And tell me in the comments, how many hours do you sleep, and do you still feel tired? I read every comment.